Okay, so we just picked up the GTR from Kimura Tire, and we're gonna make our way to Hakone to check out the beautiful view that we have here today. Check that out. Shout out to Kimura Tire again for taking care of the car. Like I said, we just picked it up. It has registration, it has shock, and it has plates. So let's go. I think first things first, we're gonna head to Autobacks because this car has no cup holders, and so I'm gonna buy one of those clip-in cup holder things. Okay, we're at Autobacks. We're gonna grab some stuff. Okay, so two quick purchases. One, a phone holder, and two, Super JDM cup holder. Okay, so we made it down to the Mazda Turnpike, and you just saw that 35 go by. Old guy drove that, and he was nice enough to show me around his 35. We talked about GTRs a little bit. Anyways, I'll give you a tour of the car. Had to move spots real quick because everyone wants a picture right there. Super fantastic spot. So what I'm going to do right now is just give you a tour around the car and kind of point out some of the stuff that I found that kind of is, I guess, a minor flaw. Overall, the car is in absolutely fantastic condition, right? But if you take a closer look, let me just point out some of the stuff. It is a 25-year-old car, you know, but you have some flaking on the paint, on the GTR grille there. And then the driver's side headlight also seems to have had some type of scuff there. Nothing major, but it's there. If you take a look on this side, the paint is actually really good, in really great condition. There are some minor scuffs, but all that stuff will buff out. There's this minor little scratch right here. You know, it is what it is, I guess. What we did end up doing though is we put all new tires on the car. So to pass shotgun, we needed new tires, so we got some Federal 595s. These are some affordable summer tires, and they seem to be doing pretty good out here. 245, 45s, on 17s on the original GTR wheels. Taking a look on the back, you have some minor scuffage on the wing. I assume rock chips and whatnot here as well. GTR on this side, not GTR on this side. What we're gonna do is when we go to the Omori Factory, I want to get brand new inserts, the Nismo ones, so we'll get those. Exhaust, I'll show you the undercarriage of the car if I haven't already done so. We got some footage of that at Kimura Tire. Okay, so Kimura-san was nice enough to let me check out the car under a lift, so just checking it out. There's some oil residue there from doing the oil change. Other than that, no rust. Everything's original up pipe down, original muffler. Really pretty, actually, in great condition. So yeah, as you can tell, all OEM, factory spec, in great condition. Awesome. When you take a look at this side though, this is where I suspect there was some type of repair at some point in time, and I'll show you why. Right, so if you take a look at how everything lines up, everything lines up great, but you notice that there's some paint here. So I'm guessing at one point in time they blended this in, and then if you take a look at the rear door, I don't know if this will pop up on camera, but it looks like there was some sanding or molding or something done here at one point in time for a repair. But other than that, it looks like they did a good job, actually. Oh, I don't know how I forgot that, but there's also a dent in the rear bumper. So again, I don't really know what's happened. There's some residue from wax on here. But yeah, there's that minor dent in the back of this. Some minor scrapage on some of the wheels. Like I said, brand new tires all the way around. Coming to the front here, you have some curbage along the edge here. Brand new brakes up front for the Brembos. Again, new tires. So what I'll do now is pop the hood and we can check the inside. Taking a look at the engine bay, it is very clean overall. 59,000 kilometers on the car. You have some minor scuffage on the intake. I think I mentioned that previously. But you know, I was looking at a magazine, an option magazine from 2002, and it had the exact same problem. So yeah, I don't think that's anything to be worried about. Also, oil change. Just got done. Let this focus. Boom. Interior wise, the car is minty fresh. Aside from the floor mats, which will be changed with Nismo ones, everything is super clean, super crispy. I'd easily give it like a 9 out of 10. The little minor issues I have with the interior are the minor scuffs on the deck plate, but I don't know what's this called, center console cover. But 25 years of wear and tear. All things considered, this car is in fantastic condition. Seats are also in great condition. Those will get a quick vacuum and scuff down. Exterior, great. Interior, rear seats. Don't mind the camera stuff. Exterior is clean as well. There is like a decent amount of room back here, so I think if you're not like 6 foot plus, you probably can fit back here. So yeah, that's the GTR. We still have some stuff to do with it. We're gonna go to the Omori Factory, and then since we're here, I want to get some drone footage of over here and over that way, because it's beautiful and it's an absolute beautiful day. So yeah. Alright, so this easily has to be one of my favorite spots to park and take pictures and just chill, because it's so quiet and you get to see so many rad cars coming through here. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. This is the 33 GTR. There'll be more content to come. FD should finish in about a week-ish or so. I think the 16th or 17th is when I should be able to pick it up from paint, and then there'll be some FD content as well as the 33. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.